Hello everyone, welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating a mouse interaction particles using Python. No HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript, only Python and Pygame. Uh, and don't forget to get the source code of this project, link will be in the description. And guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will support me to make more beautiful content like this and more advanced ones for your future projects and all. This is the output what we're going to make today. This is what we'll be making today. As you can see, when the mouse moves, all the particles moves to the direction where the mouse is, as you can see, and press. We have some instructions. Press space to add more particles. See, and escape equals quit. I'll show you in a bit. All come up together and follow the mouse, okay, like a snake. Yeah, next we escape. Yeah guys, let's get right into it. To code this guys, first we are going to have import. Import means not like JavaScript, HTML, we just link them. We have to import now, okay. Import. We're going to import Pygame. We're going to import Pygame. Next we're going to import SYS. Next we're going to import random. Next math. Next we are going to start coding. First Python code. To code here we need print equals print, and we're going to have print press move your mouse to move the shape. Okay, next one same. We are going to copy the first one and we are going to paste it 3 times and save. And next we are going to have press space to add more shape and press ESC to quit. Okay, and next what we are going to do, we are going to add else statement. Okay, so I will open here. Oh, we will do it in another way. Else dot enter print valid input return, and it's closed here. From here it's closed because return. We have space here. And next we're going to copy this 3 times and 4 times. This invalid input, and this is going to be shape container, and next is going to be movement And next one is going to be, last one is going to be Pygame sign it. Okay, that's it. Next we are going to have colors. To have colors, guys, we have a different method here. Okay. So guys, next what we are going to do? Next we are going to add class movement colon enter def xy xx yy speed angle def movement self and self speed class self width max. Sorry guys. Next we're going to have self angle. Next we're going to have self max width, then self that's it here. And we have to have return self x self y. We have to bring this way back here. Yeah, maybe this much. Draw surface Pygame surface interface. Close it. Then that's it here. Yeah guys, this is what we'll build today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And before ending this video, let's make it colorful. To make it colorful, guys, we have to give it a specified color. Yeah, the color will go as that here. We need self angle is going to be color, and color is going to be black. So we are going to give some colors here, black and all. Black. This is going to be green. Some are going to be red. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see the final outcome of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's see the final outcome, and don't forget to get the source code of this project. Link will be in my GitHub. And yeah, let's wrap up for this video. Let's see the outcome. Okay guys, now we are going to run it. We'll give error here because we have space there. And we are going to run it. Okay, we have to save it before we do anything. That's a common mistake in Python, guys. We have to save it before you run it. So as you can see now, our site works, our project works. Move your mouse to attract particles to your direction. This is what it does, yeah. So when your mouse is in somewhere, all the particles attracts there, and see when it comes beautiful. And when you press space, it creates more and more and more particles. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. I'll see you in the next. Peace.